dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today will be know the pride of India, Bharat ka Gaurav. India is a country of great men and women. Our great leaders led the struggle of independence to free our country from the British rules. भारत एक महान पुरुष और महान नारी का देश है। हमारे महान नेताओं ने अंग्रेजी शासन से भारत को आज़ाद कराने के लिए बहुत संघर्ष किया। All of them have made our nation proud and are called gems of India. Let's know our freedom fighters. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale was a great leader. He joined the nationalist movement when he was very young. गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले एक महान नेता थे। बहुत ही कम उम्र में राष्ट्रवादी आंदोलन से जुड़ गए। He founded the Servants of India Society and was deeply committed to serving India and promoting its social, political and economic welfare. Bipin Chandra Pal. He was a great freedom fighter. He stood for the ideal of Swaraj, of complete political freedom to be achieved through courage. He continued the fight for India's freedom till his death in 1932. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. While Gangadhar Tilak was among the first national leaders who come demand self-rule for Indians. He declared, Swaraj my birthright and I shall have it. Lala Lajpat Rai, who was known as the Lion of Punjab. He was a great leader who took part in a number of movements against British police. In one such movement, he was hit with a lathi on the head by the British and later died due to his injuries. Jawaharlal Nehru was another very prominent freedom fighter. He declared that the goal of India's freedom struggle was Purna Swaraj or complete independence. He made many sacrifices and went to jail several times. He became the first Prime Minister of Independence India. Subhash Chandra Bose had a great love for India. He decided to take for the military help to get rid of the British. He found it is a nationalist force called the Indian National Army. Mahatma Gandhi was the most important leader of the freedom movements. He is rightfully called the father of nation. He fought for the rights for every human being through his principle of truth and non-violence. Success to his long struggle for freedom was finally received when India gained freedom on 15 August 1947. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a leading role in our country's struggle for independence. He was known as the Iron Man of India. Gems of India, भारत के रत्न, बर्थ राइट, जन्मसिद्ध अधिकार, राइटफुली, हक, नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा. Class is over. Tomorrow will be no great social reformers. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Take care.